English is easy. If you know this, hey there, fellow language learner, have you ever found yourself tangled in the web of grammar rules, strange pronunciations, and words that mean three different things depending on how you say them? English can feel like a maze, right? But what if I told you it's actually easier than you think? Here's the big secret: English is easy if you stop chasing perfection and start mastering connection. Think about it. When babies learn to talk, they don't start with perfect grammar, do they? No. They start with sounds, then simple words, and then they build sentences over time. So why are you pressuring yourself to get it all right from the very beginning? Let me give you a few tips that'll not only make English easier, but also a lot more fun to learn. Start with what you love. Love movies? Watch them in English with subtitles. Into cooking? Follow English recipes. Want to impress your crush? Learn a few romantic phrases in English. When you link English to your passions, it doesn't feel like a chore, it feels like discovery. Think in English sounds tricky, right? But it's actually a game changer. Instead of translating every thought from your native language, try thinking in simple English sentences. Start with phrases like, "What will I eat today?" or "Where is my phone?" You'll be amazed how natural it becomes. Mistakes are magic. Here's a truth: no one ever became fluent by avoiding mistakes. Every awkward sentence and every wrong word is a stepping stone to mastery. Own your mistakes, laugh at them, and learn from them. Talk, talk, talk. You can't learn swimming without jumping into water, and you can't learn English without speaking it. Don't be shy, join English conversation groups, talk to yourself in the mirror, or even chat with AI friends. Immerse yourself, surround yourself with English. Label objects around your house, listen to English podcasts on the go, or follow English-speaking influencers. The more you hear it, the more natural it will sound to you. But wait, here's the real kicker: English is not about knowing all the rules, it's about connecting with people and expressing yourself. Did you know that over 1.5 billion people are learning English right now? That means most of the people you'll talk to are also learners. It's not about being perfect, it's about being understood. And here's something even cooler: English is full of shortcuts. Want to speak faster? Use contractions, like I'm instead of I am. Want to learn new words? Focus on word families. If you know act, you can figure out actor, action, and active. So, are you ready to break free from your fears and start speaking English with confidence? The journey is easier and more exciting than you think. All it takes is one step, and you'll be on your way to unlocking doors you didn't even know existed. Remember, English is easy. If you know the right tricks, now go out there and speak your heart out. You've got this. Thank you for watching. Share your tips too, in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe, to get more interesting stories.